Why is it necessary to maintain a positive attitude? Positive thinking has the ability to influence both your physical and mental wellness. Positive thinking's health benefits may also surprise you. This list of 10 benefits of positive thinking for your well-being, and consider how they might improve your life. 1. Improved stress management and coping skills during challenging situations. 2. Reduced risk of depression. 3. Increased resistance to common colds and a stronger immune system. 4. Lower risk of heart attacks and heart disease. 5. Reduce your blood pressure. 6. Better problem-solving abilities. 7. Greater adaptability to change. 8. More imaginative thinking. 9. A stable attitude with fewer emotional fluctuations. 10. Improved leadership abilities. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.